Which wireless Apple CarPlay adapter is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Gemloose Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Let's kick things off with the Gemloose Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Priced at just $29.99, this little device caught my eye with its sleek design and the promise of seamless connectivity. If you want a reliable way to convert your wired CarPlay to wireless without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. What's great about the Gemloose adapter is its 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and 8-core processor, which means you can expect a super fast connection, 40% faster than other adapters in fact. This is crucial because it ensures you won't be struggling with lag when using navigation or music apps. It easily connects with your iPhone, and you can control everything navigation, calls, music, without fumbling with wires. Plus, it's compatible with iOS 10 and newer, making it a great fit for a wide range of users. Now, some people complained about the occasional connection drop during longer drives. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a well-supported vehicle, you're likely to have a much smoother experience. For the price, I think the benefits far outweigh this potential hiccup. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option without sacrificing performance. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features or maximum range, but for the average driver, it's a steal. Product number 2, Luckyish Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Next up is the Luckyish Wireless CarPlay Adapter, also priced at $29.99. This one grabbed my attention thanks to its compact size and strong performance claims. If you want something that just works without fuss, this is another solid option. The Luckyish adapter uses dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology to provide a reliable connection, promising near-zero latency. This means your Spotify or navigation apps will work flawlessly, which is super important when you're on the road. The setup is straightforward, just plug it in, pair it, and you're good to go. It even remembers your device for quick reconnection. However, a few users noted that the initial setup can be a bit tricky if you're not tech-savvy. But honestly, once it's set up, it's smooth sailing. I think if you can get past that initial hurdle, you'll appreciate the convenience this adapter brings. This is perfect for anyone who values ease of use and reliable performance. Skip this if you need a more advanced adapter that supports multiple devices simultaneously. Product number 3, Tyran 2-in-1 Wireless Adapter. Now let's talk about the Tyran 2-in-1 Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter, still at $29.99. I was impressed by its ability to work with both iPhones and Androids. If you have a mixed household like mine, this is a big plus. This adapter allows you to easily switch between CarPlay and Android Auto without the hassle of unplugging anything. It supports over 1,000 car models, making it highly versatile. What's even better is how fast it reconnects, under 3 seconds. This means you won't be sitting in your car waiting for your apps to load, which can be a real time saver. On the downside, some users reported that it can struggle with certain vehicles that aren't fully compatible with either system. But for most users with modern cars, this shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for families who use both Apple and Android devices. Skip this if you have an older vehicle without wired CarPlay or Android Auto, as it won't be compatible. Product number 4, Amsfeel Wireless CarPlay Adapter. The Amsfeel Wireless CarPlay Adapter is another great contender, priced at $29.99. This adapter is designed to be ultra-compact and low-profile, which I really appreciate. If you're looking for something that won't clutter your dashboard, this might be the one for you. It easily converts your wired CarPlay to wireless, supporting all your favorite apps like GPS navigation and music playback. The design is sleek and lightweight, so it won't take up much space in your car. Plus, it boasts a quick setup process. You just plug it in and it remembers your phone for next time. However, some users mention that it can sometimes take a moment longer to connect compared to others on this list. I'd say this is a minor issue, especially considering how well it performs once it's up and running. This is perfect if you want a minimalist design without sacrificing functionality. Skip this if you're looking for an adapter with extensive features or one that supports older vehicles. Product number 5, Shrandy 2-in-1 Adapter. Lastly, we've got the Shrandy 2-in-1 Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto Adapter, priced slightly lower at $29.98. I found its functionality impressive, especially for those who want to declutter their dashboard. If you're after a clean look without the hassle, this is a great pick. This adapter offers easy setup, just plug it in, pair it, and you're ready to go. With its small design, it won't create a mess of cables, and it promises superior stability, so you won't have to deal with dropped connections. This is crucial for a seamless driving experience. Plus, it supports both iPhones and Androids, making it versatile. On the downside, a few users reported issues with compatibility in older car models. But if your vehicle is compatible, you'll likely enjoy a very stable connection. This is perfect if you want a no-fuss solution for both Apple and Android devices. Skip this if your car is older and lacks factory-installed CarPlay or Android Auto. So to wrap things up, the Gemloose is great for budget-conscious users, Lucky-ish offers excellent ease of use, Tyran is perfect for mixed households, Amsfeel has that sleek design, and Shrandy is all about a clutter-free setup. Each of these adapters has something unique to offer, so there's definitely a good fit for everyone.